Shorty, I see what you all wanna let you know, I'm proud to know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life would be perfect just without you. If I want it, when I ask you for help, you inspire me to be better. Challenge me for the better. That's when you know my love letter.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. And today we're about to be making the viral s'more cookies. The viral chocolate chip cookies. And I got mine. I got my graham crackers. They can hear you eating it right now. I got my graham crackers, my marshmallows. This is what you need to make the cookies. Hershey chocolate bars. And of course, Toll House. Don't get nothing else but Nestle Toll House, or else you're playing something. And I got my little drinky drink. Okay. So boom.
That must smack.
You ain't smacking. I didn't wash this pot out. How could I forget to do that? Okay. Pot. I don't like this. I wanted to see me in the cookies. Grace.
Maybe I would start over.
Start over?
Yeah, that was trash anyway.
We're gonna cut that part out, okay? You gonna hold it like that?
Go ahead.
Okay, so first things first, we're going to
Start over. You need to tell me what you're doing.
okay. Just cut this. Just
Cut. Go.
Okay. Y'all, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be making s'more chocolate chip cookies. Do you know they're going to hear you breathe? Okay. We making s'more chocolate chip cookies today. The viral s'more chocolate chip cookies. And we got our graham crackers here. You need your marshmallows, the big ones, not the little marshmallows, the big marshmallows. Hershey chocolate bars, and of course, Toll House cookies. Now, first thing first, we're gonna take our graham crackers, right?
So you make one big one for me and you.
Oh yeah, I'm making one. Wait, I'm making two cookies, okay? I'm making one. What? What's wrong? What?
You making one big one for me and you to split. Like, what you talking about? Two cookies. Two cookies not finna fit in there.
Yes, it is. Two cookies is.
Okay, go ahead.
I got this pan. This gonna fit. I just can't make them as big as I did yesterday. Okay. I already preheated my oven to 350. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay? So, where you going? We're gonna take our graham cracker, we're gonna put it in like this. Oh. And then a chocolate Hershey bar.
I'm too drunk to do this.
Just keep it like that. Just keep it like that. Just keep it like that. Hey, move on. Move on, that's your mouth. Okay, so we're gonna take two of the little Hershey bars. We're gonna move this out the way. We're gonna move that out the way. Get a graham cracker. Okay. That's good. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna do this. Okay. If you got some pan spray so it don't stick, that's good, but I don't have that, so
You not need that for cookies, bro.
you're gonna put it just on the top of your graham cracker like this. Boom. Now put that over there. Now you're gonna take your marshmallows and you're gonna put them on top of your chocolate bar. is gonna be delicious. Put that right there for me. And then we're gonna take out the Toll House cookies. And you want to get a nice amount. If you want your cookies to be big.
But Samara, are they cold or are they warm?
What are you talking about?
That's what people gonna ask.
It's still gonna be cold.
Is the cookie cold or is it warm?
Bro, what do you mean it's gonna be cold or warm?
Because on TikTok they be like, set it out.
Okay.
Well, come
I think it's a good amount.
on. It's cold.
What do you mean it's cold?
The dough is cold, bro. You just let them know that.
Oh.
Is it-
Okay. The
you
cookie
set
dough
the
is
cookies
cold.
out for 30 minutes.
Yeah, I didn't set the cookies out or nothing. It's cold. We're gonna take it and you just wanna smash it on top.
That's outrageous.
That's all you do. Like that.
This gonna be one big cookie, bro. How much y'all want to bet it's about to be one mega cookie?
And this is gonna be, and you gotta make sure it's covering all of that
Let me help y'all out.
you wanna cover it. I'm sure this is in the sink. Okay. You're getting too close to my fingers. Okay.
I can't see what I'm seeing.
Okay. You want to do it just like that and do that to your other cookies. Like I said, I'm making 2 right now. I probably will be making some more later. I'm for sure gonna be making some more later. You gonna want some more of this later?
No.
I am. So you just want to cover it up like that.
Girl.
And then you're gonna take some more of this cookie dough.
Bro, I want some regular cookies. Your ass gonna use all the. What is?
We're gonna have enough left. Okay. This hair keep getting in my face. I'm about to get mad in a minute.
Classic.
Bro, they gonna be like, what the fuck are you what the fuck are you talking about? It's gonna be so delicious. Okay. Now, I'm just joking. I'm about to wash my hands off. What's wrong? Okay. And then we're just gonna plop them into the oven. This is very much an easy recipe. This is how they look. Oh my gosh. What you get is, you gonna get this a 10 out of 10? What you think it's gonna be?
It's gonna be one big cookie. It's gonna be delicious, but it ain't gonna be 2. It's gonna look like a heart or some shit. I'll bet you.
You bet me that?
I'll bet you
All right, so we're gonna pop these into the oven for about 15 to 20. No, like 20 minutes is pushing it. We're gonna say about 10 to 15 minutes.
that. However long your heart desires.
Boom. Put them in the oven. And we're gonna set our timer. We're gonna set our timer for about. What you think? What you give it? What you think?
I don't cook them.
Huh?
I don't cook them.
I say about 12 minutes.
15 of those things.
15?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna set the timer.
She gonna listen to me. I don't need to cook.
15 minutes. Because we have a timer.
I didn't even know.
We got a timer on our microwave, so why not just use it? Put something to use.
It's no way you didn't know we had a timer.
Put this to use. Okay. So yeah. In the meantime, between time,
You should put that little SpongeBob thing while it's waiting to cook. We're about 20 years later.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh shit.
I can figure it out on YouTube. I can figure it out. In the meantime, between time, I'm going to be sipping on my little drink. To the camera.
Nah, that should look OC.
OC is crazy. Out of control?
Yeah.
Why not OD?
Overdoing it.
Okay, OC.
You OD.
Alright, so in the meantime, between time, I'm going to be sipping on my drink.
And cleaning this mess up.
And cleaning this mess up. Yeah. It's not really a mess though. I didn't make a mess. So yeah. I'll get back to y'all when the cookies are done, and yeah. And I made 2 cookies, one for me, one for you. Yeah. Okay. Stop.
So we got 4 feet out there. You want to let the guy come over tonight?
You already did all that.
Huh?
Oh, you got the stuff right there. You just did all that.
No, I'm trying to take a thumbnail.
A few moments later.
Tell them you what?
I had to sit down.
Chris had to sit down. She's drunk. Clearly. I'm drunk too. Oh, this is hot. Okay. So this is how the cookies look. Oh my gosh. I gotta put this camera on. Super delicious. Look at the marshmallow. But Chris was right, because they formed into one cookie. Well, you can cut it in half though. But look at that. Oh my gosh. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait till I eat the cookie. Just wait. But this is hot. So we're just going to wait for it to cool down. I'm going to turn off the oven because sometimes I'll be forgetting to turn off the oven. So we're going to put the cookie to the test. So let's see. Oh no, the cookie breaking apart. Man, this cookie's so good. You can see.
Yeah, exactly. You gotta close your eyes and shit.
You can see the graham cracker in the back. Because the cookie is really good.
Okay.
Do you want to see for yourself?
No. I know how to cook it.
You rate my cookies.
Your cookie?
Yeah, my cookies.
Your cookie?
Yeah, my cookie.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 recommend. Or not the
Recommend? Whoa.
I'm talking about the cookie. What you talking about?
Your cookie, they in your hand?
Y'all, we had these cookies last night, and I'm asking her, what did she rate my cookies?
7.7.
A 7.7.
Nah, those not. They good though.
What you give them though?
I give them 10.
Do you really give them a 10 or are you saying that?
No, I give them 10 for real. We talking about recommend, like, slow down.
I'm talking about these cookies. You gotta be like 10 out of 10 recommend.
10.
No recommended, but they
They
get
just told them
10. Just a 10, that's it. So delicious.
Okay. Food Network.
She don't want to eat her cookie, so I will eat your cookie. I said that the cookie would take 15 minutes. It took about 20 minutes. But if, I don't know, it depends on how y'all like your cookies. I like my cookie a little raw. In the middle.
Since when, bro? What are you talking about? You always was like, you don't want no raw cookie.
At first, I said that.
Bro.
At first, I told you that. But these aren't really good though. I still give them, I give them a 9.5. A 9.7. That's what I do. That's gonna be the end of this video, y'all. Thank y'all for watching and see y'all in the next video.